Imagine a time and place where people from all around the world work together to develop new inventions, discover new knowledge, and understand more about our universe. A place where the language was science, used to make the world a better place. Such a time and place existed. It was a long time ago and has almost been forgotten.
Over 1,000 years ago, there lived a man by the name of Al-Hasan ibn al-Haytham. He was a pioneering scientific thinker, mathematician, astronomer, and physicist. His knowledge was so great that he became famous very quickly. The Caliph of Egypt at the time heard about Ibn al-Haytham's idea of building a dam for the river Nile, so he invited him over. Ibn al-Haytham realized that his plan could not work with the technology of the day. So frightened of al-Hakim, Ibn al-Haytham pretended to be insane. This daring idea saved him from execution, but placed him under house arrest for 10 years.
Hi there, I am Ibn al-Haytham, but in the West I am called Al-Hasan. I have been called the father of modern optics, experimental physics, and scientific methodology. My contributions have changed the way we understand vision, optics, and light. I built the first pinhole camera, or the camera obscura. Thanks to my discoveries, we now have photographic cameras, so next time you take a selfie, just remember me.
Legend has it that one day while locked up in prison, Ibn al-Haytham saw light shining through a tiny pinhole into his darkened room, projecting an image of the world outside onto the opposite wall. Ibn al-Haytham realized that he was seeing images of objects outside that were lit by the sun. From repeated experiments, he concluded that light rays travel in straight lines, and that vision is accomplished when these rays pass into our eyes. Ibn al-Haytham has forever changed the way we see the world.
And so, as we see great Muslim minds have walked this earth as scholars, scientists, doctors, philosophers, and engineers, the true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. So if you dare to imagine like those before us, you will become creators who bring dreams to life.